Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. The NETWORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS functions in SmartSheet are powerful tools for calculating the number of working days between two dates, excluding weekends and, optionally, holidays. These functions are essential for project management, scheduling, and any scenario where you need to account for business days rather than calendar days. The NETWORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS functions calculates the number of working days between two dates, excluding weekends. The NETWORKDAYS function is an alternative to NETWORKDAY and is used to calculate the number of working days between two dates, also excluding weekends and holidays. The difference between NETWORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS lies primarily in that NETWORKDAYS adds a day to the final calculation if the start date is a non-working day. The basic syntax for the NETWORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS functions are as follows. Start date. This is the date when the period begins. End date. This is the date when the period ends. Holidays. This is optional and is a range of dates that should be excluded from the working days calculation, such as company holidays or personal days off. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you need to calculate the number of working days between Saturday, August 3rd, 2024, and Thursday, August 15th, 2024. Enter the start date in one cell and the end date in another cell. Use the NETWORKDAY formula to calculate the number of working days. This formula will return the total number of working days between the start and end dates, excluding weekends. In this example, the NETWORKDAY function would return a value of 10 days. The NETWORKDAYS would result in a value of 9 days. Imagine you need to calculate the number of working days between two dates, but you also want to exclude specific holidays. For example, you need to calculate the number of working days between Monday, August 5th, 2024, and Thursday, August 15th, 2024. In this example, we have Monday, August 5th, 2024 listed as a holiday. Enter the start date in one cell, the end date in another, and list the holiday dates in a separate range. Use the NETWORKDAY formula to calculate the number of working days excluding both weekends and holidays. This formula will return the number of working days between the start and end dates, excluding weekends and any listed holidays. In this example, the NETWORKDAY function would return a value of 9 days. The NETWORKDAYS would result in a value of 8 days. These functions are invaluable in scenarios where you need to calculate timeframes that only consider business days. Here are a few examples of their practical applications. Project scheduling. Use NETWORKDAY or NETWORKDAYS to determine the number of working days between project start and end dates, ensuring accurate timelines. Payroll calculation. Calculate the number of workdays for payroll periods, excluding holidays and weekends. Deadline management. Apply these functions to calculate deadlines or turnaround times based on working days rather than calendar days. And there you have it. By mastering the NETWORKDAY and NETWORKDAYS functions in SmartSheet, you can accurately calculate business days, ensuring that your schedules and timelines are realistic and achievable. Whether you're managing projects, processing payroll, or setting deadlines, these functions are essential tools that can help you achieve better results. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.